Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Wealth and Investment. So Raymond Thomas Dalio, Ray Dalio, famously known as, is an American billionaire hedge fund manager and also a philanthropist who has served as co-chief investment officer of Bridgewater Associates since 1985. He has an interesting thing to say. He says that China's economic growth is slowing down and now is the time to invest in China. So, as trade tensions with the US drags on and China's domestic stock market has crashed and its currency has devalued, despite all of that, Ray Dalio, who is the founder and co-chair of 160 billion Bridgewater Associate, is advising investors not to retreat but to continue investing in China's economic growth. Now, the hedge fund titan strikes an extremely bullish tone on China during an interview published on Tuesday, and he has also previously paid frequent visits to China and witnessed that China's share of world GDP jumped from 2% to 22% in 2018 alone. So what he's saying is that he's calling China a comparable power of the United States and urges investors not to miss the opportunity despite intensifying trade tensions between the two countries, right? So he gives a very interesting example, like who would not want to invest with the Dutch and the Dutch Empire, right? You would not have wanted to invest in the Industrial Revolution and the British Empire. Would you not wanted to invest in the United States and the United States Empire? I think it's comparable, he says, adding that he believes China's rise today resembles those business empires. So it's a great thing coming from him, right? In a nutshell, it's going to have the largest economy in the world, the most trade in the world, and the most market capitalization in the world. He characterized also that the trade conflict is a natural evolutionary step in the course of economic history as a rising power, challenging an existing world power. So he's like saying whenever a new power comes in, this trade history or the trade conflict that we are witnessing between United States and China is a natural evolutionary step, and that has to happen. So the macro risks and fears have been created opportunities for investors, according to Dalio. So he says that if you wait for everything to be clear and the trade tensions to go away, then that would not be a good time. And he is saying that now is a perfect time to invest in China's economic growth. Um, Another reason why investors should get into China, he says, is diversification, because if the country goes head to head with the US in key technology areas such as artificial intelligence and 5G, so China is the one that is also working on that alongside United States. And he believes that China is a competitor of the United States, so Chinese businesses will be competitors of American businesses and other businesses around the world. Therefore, it's always like, as we do investments in stock exchange, we aim for diversification. So we should also aim for investing in different countries like competitors of United States. Um, Finally, he says that he acknowledges that China doesn't have a regulatory system that is as advanced as developed countries and as liquid, but he argues that the greater levels of inefficiency also provides an investment opportunity. So this is just what a summary of what he said, and I thought like this is very interesting because a lot of people are now, I witness in a lot of social forums where people in Australia or America are suggesting we should withdraw investments in from China, but he is suggesting otherwise, saying that this is the right opportunity to invest there if you want to, benefit in the long run. Okay. Until next time, see you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. See ya. Bye. Thank you.